Okay, we're going to do a room review. This is the outside of the door. It doesn't look like you're going into a bedroom or a hotel room, but this is the Moxy New York City, Times Square. The Moxy brand is known to be trendy, but to be of smaller space. This particular hotel has a lot of amenities, so that is the one reason, and the one reason only, that I chose it, in proximity, of course. If you know anything about me, you've been following the channel or the social medias, then you know that I have hotel issues, so I need my space to be very accommodating at all times, but I'm open, and plus I'm in New York City, so you have to switch it up a little bit. So this is the Moxy. Like I said, the bathroom is this small for a reason. So the occupancy is 2 people in this room, and 2 people can fit. You see that the shower is just the rain shower, and they intentionally have no shower door or curtain, which kind of makes it look a little bigger. But this is it for the bathroom. Now you may be wondering, if that's it for the bathroom, then where is the sink? I'm going to show you. So this is the sink. The sink is outside of the bathroom, and there's a door for the bathroom, sliding door. But the sink is outside of the bathroom. If you want to stay here, you got to keep in mind it is a small hotel room for a reason. And then we're in New York City, so hotel rooms aren't the most large in most cases, but you do have a mirror there, small sink. You do have a steamer, coffee cups. They have free coffee in the 2nd floor cafe. And again, the door does not look like a door. It doesn't look like a hotel room door. It looks like a door to go down some stairs or something like that. But that's part of their brand. Master light. Food menus for the restaurants that are in the hotel. Another mirror, blow dryer, few hangers. So if there's no closet space here, you have to keep that in mind. And this is actually like a chair, but they fold it up to conserve space. And there's NYC. So this is not far from Times Square. And this is the television. So the television is there. And then you have that space over there. You do have a plug. It's not a lot of room. You can't necessarily walk on that side. But this is considered a queen bed. You have some storage under here. And then your safe, because it does have a safe, is here. I have to open it up. So it does have a safe. So that is that portion. And then you get to this side table. Phone is just for aesthetic because it does not work. You get to water's cost if you want to use it. The light, and this is considered a table. So you need to just do something on the laptop. Use the chair that we saw hanging. So that is Moxy New York City, Times Square. They have one in Chelsea. This one actually opened not too long ago. So the room is very clean and modern. I gotta say, very clean, modern, and updated. That'll be my tag, because sometimes you hear people say, oh, the room is clean, but the room is outdated. So We're gonna say it's clean, modern, and updated, and that it is. You have to make sure you pull down the blinds. If not, people across the way can see you, especially that blind over there. So that is the room in a nutshell. Small. I think it was about 200 and something square feet. Semi-trendy. This hotel, again, has a lot of amenities. It has a lot of sections to lounge. It has a rooftop bar, a restaurant, a cafe. A lot of things that would make it worth your while. But I'll go into a hotel review later. I just wanted to show you this. Other than that, this really isn't a review the hotel type of trip, but I would be doing myself and everyone else a disservice if I experienced the hotel and I didn't get a chance to show you or review it. So if you need somewhere to stay in New York, and if this space is sufficient for you, for two people, it works. So that is Moxy, and this is the one queen suite, I believe. Welcome to New York. Welcome to the Big Apple. So we are going to do a quick tour of the hallway. So when you come out the room, it's enclosed rooms, which helps. It's another building over there for the hotel. My room is on the 11th floor. These are what the rooms look like. They don't look like hotel rooms at all. So we're gonna go down and show you some more.